Hello from Tom Squirrel Whisperer. This is my review and video evaluation for the Geektoys Black AVX Quadcopter. Let's take a look at it. First of all, here's the box. You lift off the lid and you'll find that the sides will fold out and provide additional information about the quadcopter, fly times, and additional information as such. Once we take a look at that, you'll find that there is some assembly acquired to the quadcopter. I'm going to actually help you get through all that, so we'll do that right now. First of all, taking a look at the controls, even though it doesn't come with the camera, this particular model, this is the very first time I've seen a control so well marked that it actually has photo, video, and auto return, headless mode on the control itself, where you don't have to remember which button does what. I really respect and like that about this particular model. I haven't seen that done before, so that is really wonderful. Okay, we're going to have to put on the prop guards first. So notice that each prop guard will have a small screw, and we're going to put that into the prop guard hole at the end of each base, and there it is. So you're going to put that down in there. We're going to assemble this part first. They give you a small screwdriver in your parts bag to make that a little bit easy. Now sometimes the ends of the prop guard will flatten out as you're trying to press them in. So you can actually might have to shave that a little bit with a pair of scissors or something to get those to slide in easily. I had the most problem with those. Now in installing the propellers, first remove this pin and discard those. You're not going to use those anymore. Now in each propeller shaft like this, you're going to see that in each propeller shaft there is a small hole, and that is going to be the set screw hole. You're going to find that hole. You're going to slip the screw into that hole, and you're going to line up your screw with that in that hole with the hole in the shaft. And so you want to have the screw in the propeller already set up and line that up perfectly with the shaft. It isn't that difficult really. And then tighten it all the way in. So you're going to tighten in with your screwdriver into the shaft there. You're going to do that with all 4 propellers. Now you want to make sure that your propellers are matched B to B across from each other. As such, B to one side, B to the other side, and A to one side and A to the other side. So they always have to be across from each other. Now, then you're going to be putting on the bases. So your bases will mount in like this into these holes as the feet, and then you'll have the quadcopter all set to go. It will measure out about a little over 16 inches across right at this point. So you'll see you have a full-size quadcopter. Although it will not have the full weight, there is no need to register this quadcopter. It is not exceeding the federal weight. Okay, now we can install the battery. You'll slide open the bottom battery drawer, slip in the battery. You only get one battery with this, although there are plenty of places on the internet to buy additional batteries. And then you'll slip in the wire for the battery into that into the wire receptacle right there, as you see in between those 2 holes. That turns it on. There is no other off-on switch. Simply putting the wire in there turns it on. Okay, and pulling the wire out turns it off. This is the bottom of the controller. If you'll pull out the screw and discard it, and it will take 4 AAA batteries. Okay, so here are some indoor testing. The purpose of doing indoor testing is to set your trim. You want to be setting your trim so that it will go straight up and down. It will not go to one side or the other. It will not go forward or back. So that's the purpose. Now these are the trim knobs, so you use that to get it so that your copter will go directly straight up and down and will not go forward and back. So That is the purpose of doing indoor testing on a soft surface. I used a sleeping bag laid over a ping pong table. Now, this next video is taken of a older but almost identical version of the black AVX, and of course this one, as you see, is a silver model, not a black model, but it is the same weight, pretty much the same engines, and as you can see, it is very easy to control. And as soon as the weather clears up here, I'll be replacing this with a video of the black AVX. But for now, I just hope I gave you enough information to really help you put together your black AVX and to actually see what it would look like in flight. So I'm going to be giving this the full 7 Squirrel up rating. I hope I gave you enough for you to make your own decision. Thank you for watching my video.